What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. So by the title of this video, you can tell that it is a little bit different than some of my other videos that I have made on my channel before. But what I want to do is I want to talk about a property that I just recently purchased. And this particular property is going to be a house hack, which pretty much just means that I'm going to be living in one of the units and I'm going to be renting out the other unit. So I'm definitely no real estate expert at all. This is definitely all new to me. I just graduated college, but really what I want to talk about is I want to walk you through what I've learned and kind of what my plans are with this property moving forward. So what we're going to do is we're going to drive over to the property, kind of show you both the unit that I plan on renting out and also the unit that I plan on living in, and kind of explain some of the work that I've already done to make that particular unit rent ready so that I can start to rent it out, and then also kind of my plans on the unit that I plan on living in. And then at the end of the video, make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to be breaking down all of the numbers, because obviously this is a finance channel. So I really want to be open of exactly what I, paid out of pocket to kind of get into this property. Also kind of what my monthly mortgage is, what I believe I have in equity in this particular property, and so much more. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that at the end of the video. But before we kind of drive over there and kind of check out these units, if you are new to this channel, on this channel, we talk about day trading, swing trading, long-term investing, as well as current stock market updates. So if any of that seems interesting to you at all, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And also, if you get some value in this video today, make sure to give me a thumbs up. It really helps me, helps the video, and it helps the channel grow. So thank you in advance for doing that. So with all that being said, let's drive over to the property right now and begin to check out some of these units. All right, everyone, so we just got to the property right now, and what I want to do now that we're at the property is I want to walk you through the side that I'm going to be renting out. And I didn't really do too much work to this unit. I obviously got new paint, new carpet, things like that, but the expenses really weren't too high. But it's definitely a great property to live in, and so far I've already been getting a lot of interest from people to want to come check it out. I've actually shown it to a few people already, and I've gotten a lot of great feedback from that. So we're going to walk you through that side, show you some before and after pictures, and then also we're going to walk you through the side that I'm planning on living on, and kind of explain my plans moving forward of what exactly I want to do to my unit. So with all that being said, with all that out of the way, let's go check out the rental property right now. All right, everyone, so we're in my unit right now that I'm planning on renting out, and just bear with me because I am recording this video on my own and it's kind of hard to place the camera to get a video of me. But right when you walk in the door, you get greeted to this this living room area, and I just want to show you this real quick. And I'm going to run some before and after pictures as well. All right, everyone, so I just wanted to do a quick voiceover right now, and we're going to be running some before and after pictures, but this is essentially just the living room, family room area. You can see that there was all new paint there, which really helped brighten up that room. This is the kitchen area. All the appliances came with it. You have a new stove, new microwave, the fridge works. The dishwasher is a little bit old. We do have to replace that, but we can see that we actually redid all the cabinets. We restained those, and we also painted in there as well, which really brightened up the room. This is obviously just the bathroom. Really wasn't too much work in here. Obviously in the before picture, there was a green wallpaper or green paint. So we repainted that, which really made it a lot more clean looking. These are the stairs. So we actually redid all the stairs. We stained them all, and that really came out very, very good. This is just the upstairs. It's a 2-bedroom. We can see that there is all brand new carpet in here. There's new paint, which was, very, very simple things to do. Just took a little bit of time, but you can see that it really did come out very, very well. We kept all the trim the same exact color, and I think the trim really goes well with the paint also. And this is just the other room with new paint, new carpet, and things like that. And then also, if we just go over here to the bathroom area, we can see that this is the full bath, where you have the shower, you have the entire bathroom. So we just did repaint there as well. All right, everyone, so that's just a quick walkthrough of this unit. This unit actually does have a separate 2-car garage as well. And they also have a nice little deck area for them to kind of sit out and relax. But now I want to jump over to the unit that I'm planning on living in and kind of explain to you my plans moving forward and what I expect to do. So let's go check that out. All right, everyone, so we're in the unit that I'm planning on living in right now. Obviously, you have a very open floor plan, and I'll just give you a quick snapshot of that right now. And then when you walk over here to the kitchen, we can see that the kitchen was really done up very, very well. All new countertops. The cabinets are pretty good shape. Honestly, don't really need to do too much in here, just new paint and things like that. And if we walk down here, we can have an entire separate hallway. All right, everyone, so I'm just going to take over voiceover again. And obviously, I'm not going to show you the entire house, but this is essentially just the master bedroom. Obviously, this video was taken before I did any work to this particular unit. This obviously needs all new paint, new carpet, and things of that nature. Very simple work, but just going to take a little bit of time. And this is just the other room. This is kind of the office area where it obviously needs new carpet as well, and also new paint and things like that. Really not too much work, but just really wanted to show you that really quick. All right, everyone, so we're back at my desk right now. What I want to do in this section of the video is I want to first break down this overall deal. So what did I pick this property up for? What do I believe this property is worth, and all of that? And then after this, I want to talk about my total out-of-pocket cost and what my monthly, mortgage is going to be on this property, what my rent is, and all of that. And then at the end, I want to break down and explain to you exactly why I love investing in real estate. And like I said before at the beginning of this video, I'm not a real estate expert at all, but I definitely have been noticing some amazing advantages of investing some money into real estate. So kind of break down some of the deal. I bought this particular property, this duplex, for $225,000, and this was valued at around $80 a square foot. And typical homes in this area that I bought this property in sell for between $100 to even $130 a square foot. So instantly, before I even, did any work to this property should be worth around $280,000 all the way up to $364,000, which instantly gives me anywhere between $55,000 on the low end all the way up to $140,000 on the high end in equity as soon as I bought this particular deal. So to break down some of the costs to kind of get into this particular deal and this particular property, I did unfortunately have to take out two separate loans. I don't really want to explain exactly why I had to do this, but it was associated with how the property was set up. But I really thought that this was a good deal, and if I had to do that, that's what I have to do. But I definitely can refinance in a couple of months to kind of get it all under one loan, which is going to drastically decrease my overall cost, my overall monthly cost in this particular property. But for the first loan, I had to pay $9,707.21 to get into, and then the other loan I had to pay $16,311.55, which brings it to a total of around $26,018.76. And then when you add in inspections and appraisals, that kind of came out to, let's just say, $1,000, which brings the new total to around $27,018.76. So my monthly mortgage on this particular property is around $984.66 for the first loan and $711.36 for the second loan, which brings it to a total of around $1,696.02 every single month. So I plan on renting this property out for around $1,250 a month, which is what typical rents are going for in my area. So if you just take my total mortgage payment of around $1,700 and you subtract that $1,250, that brings me to around $450 that I have to pay out of my pocket plus utilities to live inside of this property. But when I was talking to my loan officer over the phone, like I said previously, he's confident that I can get my monthly bill down a little bit more to around $200 to even $300 a month. So even if we are on the conservative side and we can get that down to even $200 more a month off of my monthly total bill, that puts me at around $250 a month that I have to pay to live in this property plus utilities. So obviously I had to pay a lot to get inside of this property, but honestly, this property could potentially be a cash cow, especially when I plan on moving out in the future, because not only am I going to be able to rent the one side of this unit out for around $1,250 a month, but I'll also be able to rent out the unit that I'm going to be currently living in for around that same price, which will bring my cash flow to well over $1,000 every single month. So that's definitely something that I was considering before I invested any money into this particular deal. So to get into some of the reasons as to why I love real estate, to kind of end this video off, the first reason is obviously cash flow. So every single month I'm getting a monthly check from my tenant that I'm renting the property out for, and this is essentially helping me pay my mortgage every single month, which is just reducing my cost to really live inside of this property. Going on to number 2 is the loan pay down. So every single month, my loan is getting paid down, and not only am I paying the loan down out of my own pocket, but also the tenant is helping me pay that loan down every single month, which is just giving me more and more equity in the property over time. Number 3 is appreciation. So every single year, this property is going up anywhere between 3 to 5% in value, which is just giving me more equity in the property over time. And then finally, one of the main reasons as to why I really wanted to get into an investment property is the tax benefit. So you get to write off something called depreciation and also other costs. And this will just allow me to reduce the amount of earnings on which taxes are based off of, thus reducing the amount of taxes that I owe at the end of every single year. All right, everyone. So just to wrap up this video today, I simply just want to explain and reemphasize that I'm definitely not an expert at all when it comes to investing in real estate, but I simply just wanted to make this video to kind of share my overall process with purchasing my first property. And I really think that this could be a fun little series to have on my channel as time goes on. But also, if you did make it this far in this video today, I do want to give a quick shout out to someone that I did learn a lot from through this entire process, and that was someone named Chandler David Smith. This guy has over 100,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel where he talks about investing in real estate, and he definitely does know what he's talking about. He also has his own investment course. So if you guys use the link in the description box below and you use code STOCKTICS, you instantly get $50 off his course, which allows you to get into this course at around $250, which in my personal opinion is an amazing deal because I've already found so much value in using this over the last couple of months. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you guys are new to this channel, this is your first time watching one of my videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I would love to have you a part of the channel. So with all that being said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.